Lord of the Tumblers, SKU 20982. This tumbler holder is the ultimate car accessory. If you're tired of struggling to fit your Stanley or Yeti tumbler in your cup holder, or need extra space for your doohickeys, TadiBrothers has you covered. Introducing the one tumbler holder to rule them all. The expandable base ensures it fits securely in any cup holder, making it the perfect accessory for any car, truck, RV, or even a boat. Coming in at 6 inches high and 4.5 inches wide, compact but effective, it won't clutter your vehicle's interior. Designed to hold larger bottles like Stanley's, Hydro Flask, and any other oversized tumbler you can imagine. Made from high quality, durable material to withstand use in any weather condition. Lastly, this versatile tumbler holder can also hold smaller items like phones or snacks if needed. Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to the convenience with the one tumbler holder to rule them all.
Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,500 verified, that is verified, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. Please call us anytime at 866-966-5550. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!